How to fix keeps updating on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, click power button and volume up button. After click on power button and volume up button, restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down. Scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on More Connectivity Options. After click on More Connectivity Options, scroll down and click on Reset Settings. Enter your phone PIN, click on Next. After click on Next, click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix keeps updating on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.